What's up, y'all? I hope you guys are having an awesome day. It's your boy Stan with Stanley's Reviews. Welcome to Stanley's Reviews. Don't hesitate to subscribe as well. But today we're working on that gate over there. I took it down, so I didn't document that. And I also took off the pool cover because it's pretty filthy. As you saw in the previous episode, I cleaned it up. So this is actually the gate that I'm going to be redoing because it's been sagging. It looks awful. It doesn't fit the aesthetics of the banisters or anything of that nature. It's just been out here just scraping the floor, making it look worse than it should be. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and get that redone. So I'm gonna showcase to you guys what I got going on over here, I meant to say. So let's get into the video, guys. Alright guys, I was able to take off the gate there. As you can see, I still left the latch on, and this is one of the closing mechanism right there, and it was right here, to be honest with you, and it was actually scraping, as you could see, like it was scraping the composite deck because it was sagging so much. So I'm gonna actually make an attempt of fixing that problem. This is the gate over there. I found a few banisters, older banisters, but I'm gonna try to repurpose the gate banisters that are actually on the gate as much as possible. All right guys, this is the old gate here. It looks pretty bad. As you can see, it's coming apart. The screws are not holding it tight together, and some of the wood in it is actually splitting. As you can see, they did a horrible job of putting this together. So I'm gonna actually do a much better job. Obviously the old mechanism is still on there, and I'm gonna be using these brace system that I found in the shed to actually make sure this holds and it's square, and it's also not sagging in any way, shape, or form. So let me get into it further. Don't hesitate to comment, like, and subscribe if you guys have any question as well. I have 4 of these braces back here, and I'm gonna actually attempt to make this square. I'm gonna actually use new wood because this one's pretty beat up. As you can see, it's warping, it's shifting, it's dancing around, it's making sounds and stuff. It's definitely not a good gate in any way, shape, or form whatsoever. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace as much of it as possible, make my cuts, make my measurements, and you'll get to see all of that while I'm doing it. So let's get into it further. All right guys, the first attempt I'm gonna try is to take away all the banisters that are on there, see if I can repurpose them in any way, shape, or form. So that's gonna be what we're gonna be doing next. right, guys, I'm ready to actually cut off my wood to actually do the frame, and I'm using my little Craftsman chop saw. This should get the job done. If you're looking for one of this kind, I'll definitely leave the link in the description below. I'm gonna actually showcase to you guys how good this is. This is actually a 10-inch blade to be exact, and it works perfectly. You can't go wrong with it. So I'm actually gonna leave all the information in the description below, including the link on where you can get that. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and start framing. I'm cutting my frame boards so I can get the perfect square going.